Yeah, children. So today in triangles, we discuss optional exercise. Triangles, optional exercise, 6.6, page number 152, 10 series. First, children, first one is given like this. This is collection of bicycle here. First one is given like this. Children, on P is there, Q is there, R is there, S is there. Okay. So they said that PS is the angle bisector. Children, PS is the angle bisector. They told you PS is angle bisector. Please mute your audience. PS is angle bisector. And please require to prove this. Children, one of the require to prove. So require to prove is we have to prove that QS by SR is equal to PQ by PR. QS by SR is equal to PQ by PR. Chalo, chalo. Now what I will do, children? This is so what I will do is I will extend this line, children. I will extend this line, and here I will join this. Okay. So construction. Okay, children, construction. What I am doing? RM parallel to PS. Children, write construction. RM and drawing parallel to PS. You should understand very easy. Okay, after that, join here. Once you do this, everyone will understand what it is. Now, children, since PS is parallel to RM, apply
BPT. BPT.
Can anyone say what is BPT? QS by SR.
QS by SR is equal to
PQ by PM.
QP by P. Okay, children. So QS by SR is equal to PR is there, but I got PM. I got PM, children. I should convert this into PM. Okay, see, children. Children 1 and 2 are equal. Now, angle 2 is equal to angle 3, I will say. Can anyone say why?
Alternate interior angles.
interior angles are equal.
Of parallel PS is equal to RM, alternate
Interior angles.
I will say angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4.
Corresponding sides.
Corresponding
Angles.
Corresponding angles of PS parallel to RM. Children, this and this are equal, this and this are equal. These both are alternate, these both are corresponding. These both are alternate, these both are corresponding. But children, all of you know that 1 and 2 are equal. Why they are equal, children?
Because they're internal bisectors.
If 1 and 2 are equal, therefore
3 and 4 are equal.
3 and 4 are equal.
so angle 3 is equal to angle 4.
Base
If
angles
angle 3 is equal to angle 4, what is it?
PR is equal to PM base.
PR is equal to PM because
Base angles are
base angles. Okay, base angles. If base angles are equal, sides are equal. Okay, children. Now substitute this in equation 1. So what happens? QS by SR is equal to QP by, instead of PR, what I can write, children?
PM.
Hence proved. That's it. You have to draw one parallel line, children. That's it. Nothing else. Over. Sum is over. I hope you enjoyed it.
Sir, instead of PM, again you wrote PM.
What time? Instead of PM?
You should write
PR, no,
CR, no,
sir.
sir.
PR you have to write.
Oh, okay. Okay. Instead of PR, I should write PM. No? Okay. Fine. This is no, I'm sorry. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. So instead of PM, we should write PR. Okay. So PR. Because PM and PR are equal. Instead of PM, we should write PR. That's it. Yeah. Okay, children. Similar converse of this is given, children, in 9%. Similar, same converse they have given, children. That's why 1 and 9 I will say, children. 1 and 9 I will say together, children, because converse of this only they have given. Okay, converse of this is given and show you converse. Okay, children, converse is given. Okay, so here you, I hope you all understood this one. Exactly 9% is converse of this, children. I will say together so that you will not forget. 9%. Let's check the 9%. See, the 9% is 0. this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, children. And D is the point on BC. Given, they gave, what is given is B by C is equal to AB by AC. They only give. What is required to prove? We have to prove that AD is bisector. Means
Angle 1 is equal to angle 2.
we have to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. In previous sum, they gave this and we proved this. This time, they gave this, we have to prove this. So coming to construction, same construction. Construction. What is construction you are expecting here, children? What is the construction you are expecting, children?
Same construction, sir.
No. Okay, children, in construction, what we do, this should be straight, children, don't give slant one. In construction, what I will do, I will draw AB is equal to, children, in construction, what I will do is, I will draw AC is equal to AD. I will draw AC is equal to AD. Children, how much is this? Same I will draw. How much is AC? Same I will draw AD in construction. And join C. That's all, children. If you remember this, sum is over. Now, we know what we know, children. B by C is equal to
AB by AC.
They have given. Instead of AC, can I write AD?
Yes, sir.
BD by CD is equal to AB by AE by construction. Now, BD by CD is equal to BA by AE by
Converse of
The
BPT.
PPT.
converse of BPT. What we can say, children? AD is parallel to
Parallel to CE.
AD is
C.
parallel to CD. Okay, so if AD is parallel to CD, children, if AD is parallel to CD, now tell me, children, 2 and 3 are equal, right?
Alternate angle.
Alternate interior angles. Okay, 1 and 4 are equal, right, children?
Corresponding side angles, sorry.
Corresponding angles. Okay, children, of which parallel lines? AD parallel to CD.
CE.
Now, children, now tell me, children, 3 and 4 are equal, right? 3 and 4 are equal?
Because 1 and 2 are equal.
No, AC and AE are equal by construction. AC and AE are equal, so 3 and 4 are equal. If 3 and 4 are equal, if 3 and 4 are equal, then 1 and 2 also equal. If 1 and 2 are equal, AD is angle vector. AD is angle vector. Okay, children, by converse, we can know that these both are parallel. Because these both are parallel, 2 and 3 are equal, 1 and 4 are equal. But by construction, these sides are equal, children, so 3 and 4 are equal. By construction, if AC and AE are equal, so 3 and 4 are equal. If 3 and 4 are equal, 1 and 2 are equal. If 3 and 4 are equal, 1 and 2 are equal. Because 1 is 2 is equal to 3, 1 is equal to 4. If 3 and 4 are equal, 1 and 2 are equal. If 3 and 4 are equal, 1 and 2 equal. If 1 and 2 equal, it is the angle.
So in construction, you didn't write AD is parallel to EC.
AD is parallel to?
EC.
I proved it. AD is parallel to CE. I proved it.
Okay, sir.
I construction only I did that AC is equal to AE construction. I constructed AC is equal to AE, children. Because AC is equal to AE only, 3 and 4 are equal, children. Here construction is this and this are equal, children. That's all. So this is 9 essential. Okay, so 1 and 9 are converse to each other. That's why I put together so that you understand, children. When you are practicing also, you practice. In text 2, they give first one and 9 somewhere, but I hold them together so that you have clear understanding. Now, say like other this 7 and 8 are also equal, children. That's why I'm saying together, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Okay, children. So this is answer. Very, very easy sums. 7 and 8. See here, in 7 sum they have given this. So this is A, this is C, this is B, this is D, this is B. Okay, children. So he's asking children, required to prove is we have to prove that A, B, C is also A, B, C is similar to D, B, D is required. That's also. And P is not center. O is center. P is not center. Because they have said P is not center. How to prove this? How to prove this? Anyone? How to prove this? Anyone? Okay, I'm proving. Mute your audio. Proof. Join either BC or AD, your wish, anything you do. If you join children, angle A is put angle D. Why? In 9th class you studied.
Angles in same.
Huh?
Angles in same segment.
Angles in same segment are equal. Angles in same segment. And if P is put angle P.
Vertically opposite angles.
Vertically opposite angles are equal.
Over to angle
By
side
AA
square.
similarity,
By AA similarity.
the triangle APC similar to triangle DPQ,
That's
DPP.
That's also ABC is similar to DP. Let's check. AD cut. PP cut. And rest of the automatically. If anyone asks CPSP, what will you write?
AP by DP.
AP by DP.
PC by PB is
Ah.
equal to AC by BD.
AC. That's no, very easy. That's why I told you. Okay. 8th one. 8th one will also see like this function. See here. They have given a circle. Okay. And they have given. Okay, so what is this? PAC BD. Required to prove is what? Required to prove we have to prove that AP. Okay, children. Yeah. Required proof, children. PAC is equal to PB. In last time, children, we asked that AP into BP. AP into BP. You can see here. AP into BP is equal to CP into B. Cross multiplication. CP into B. That's also we asked. That will replace the CPS. Okay, now can anyone say this children how small triangle is similar to big triangle? PAC is similar to PB. Can you say how? And P is but angle P, right?
Common angle.
Common angle is there in small triangle. And angle A is put angle D. Why? In
Cyclic quadrilateral.
Opposite angles are supplementary.
in any quadrilateral, not only cyclic, any quadrilateral, exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. In any quadrilateral, exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. In cyclic origin, in cyclic quadrilateral, exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. You may ask how, sir? I will show you. If this is say 60. In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are
Equal.
supplementary.
Supplementary.
If this will be 120. If this is 120, linear way, this is 60. Okay? Those who didn't understand again. If suppose this is 80, this will be how much? 100. If this is 100, by linear way, this is 80. So in cyclic quadrilateral, exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. In cyclic quadrilateral, exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. So by area similarity, PAC is similar to PB. Let's check. PP is common angle. Mute your audio. A and D are equal. Mute your A and D are equal. Automatically C and D also equal. Now can anyone see CPST?
PA by PD is equals to AC
is equal
by
to AC by BD is
equal to PC by PB.
PC by PB. Means that AB into BB. This both will go cross multiplication. This both will go cross multiplication. AB into BB. AB into BB is equal to CP into BB. CP into BB. That's it. AB into BB is equal to CP into BB. Cross multiplication. Need this one, no issue. So that is how we have to do. Same function. That's why I told you to get it. Okay. Remaining sums tomorrow and